Okay, welcome back. So now I'm going to show you how to export your Illustrator file so it's ready to use in Photoshop or any other program you want to use it in, and we can save it as a PNG. So first press Shift O on your keyboard, Shift O, hold down Shift O, and then it's basically like you're cropping it. Pull in the sides and get it nice and close to the edge, like that. Because you can see there's a lot of space that we just don't need. So, and then when you're done, click the selection tool, click off. That looks great. Then we go to File, Export, and I've been using Export for Screens. This is really cool. Make sure you're selected on, it's like Artboard 1, go Export Artboard. And it does this really cool thing where it puts different size, so you can see this is only 15, so this would be like for your Instagram or Twitter kind of logo thingy, and then there is a large size here at 56 KB, and then also an SVG is for if you want to do laser cutting your words, so it's pretty cool. So there's the files all ready to go. So then it's time to place it into Photoshop to get ready to edit on a photo. But yeah, that's how you export it. And you'll see that it is, I'm pretty sure it's on a transparent background. Thanks.